You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. I know many mispronounce it, or at least are confused by it, so let's break it down. If you want to learn more celebrity names, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. Sigourney. Sigourney. Some say it as sir, but it's generally Sigourney. The stress goes on the second syllable. Sigourney. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.